Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. To be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, in order for you to actually make friends easily, you have to firstly know thyself. Yeah, that's first and foremost. But the other thing is, in fact, once you know thyself, you actually know exactly what your purpose is, what your mission is, and around that, surrounding what your mission is, you're going to eventually find people or people around you, they're going to end up being your friends anyway. Whether it's for that moment or for a few moments after or whatever the case may be, it's going to happen. Because you're naturally going to be confident enough to have dialogue with them. And when you have dialogue with them, you know, you're interacting, you're living your life, you're living your movie, you're living your mission, you're doing what you got to do. There's no other way for me to explain it than that. So I just 100% recommend that you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akibudan Trust. You will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you'll be able to develop yourself. Let's say, for example, if you're a man watching this, you'll learn how to develop yourself to become a pure thoroughbred alpha male. And if you're a woman watching this, you'll learn how to develop yourself to become a pure feminine woman. Now, the best thing is, you will also get access to online courses such as career and business. Now, that's where you're going to learn what your true purpose is, what your true personalized mission on earth is. Because once you learn that, that's where the fun and games really begin for you to actually, find friends and make friends easily, all right? So, look, if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.